guys, and welcome back to MyArtCube. So today I'm going to just be showing a video that's kind of behind the scenes information. I'm just showing me working in my art journal for a couple days. And so a couple days worth of art journal entries, including this one. So this is finished already. And so you can see this is January 27th. And I've got some notes in there and some different things going on, and just a neighboring house I drew out and painted. And this is done with Pitt artist pens. It's first done in pencil and then it's done in Pitt artist pens by Faber Castell. And then there's this guy, and this was inspired by a unsplash.com photograph. So basically this photograph kind of is on unsplash.com. I've altered it. This is very different than what was on there, but it's just slices of citrus, and so oranges, lemons, grapefruits, no limes in here, but just things in the warm tones. So yeah, that was a really fun page to do. And so you'll see me in the next few minutes going through and doing these pages to music sped up. So it'll be a time-lapse video. So I just wanted to share that with you today. Today's Friday, so you know, it's kind of casual Fridays, whatever we want to cover. So I just decided to cover these two pages. So that's what you're going to see in the next few minutes. And I hope you enjoy. Bye. See you in a bit. Okay guys, welcome back, and yeah, that's a wrap for this video. It was just a time lapse of these two projects that I did for my art journal. So keeping an art journal is part of my curriculum for Mondays, and I'm just showing you what I did in that art journal. So this is just Faber Castell Pitt artist pens with watercolors. And you can see I just did little notes. Those are actually like Scrabble pieces. It's a really cute idea. I got it off Pinterest, the idea that you could just use the Scrabble pieces and spell stuff out. So I think that's a cute idea for a art journal. You know, if you want to spell things out in Scrabble pieces, that's fun. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification to know when my next video comes out. And I appreciate you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.